Tired of your euros sitting on Binance? Let's move them to your bank, fast. First, tap Wallet located at the bottom right of your Binance app. Next, choose Spot Wallet. This is where your euro balance should be. Now, tap Withdraw. It's usually yellow button and will prompt to choose your asset to withdraw. Select euro or from the currency list. Scroll if you don't see it. Choose Bank Transfer SEPA. This is the most common way to withdraw euros. Enter the amount you want to withdraw and carefully fill in your bank details. IBAN, BIC, SWIFT code, and your name as it appears on your bank account. Double check everything. You will see one last confirmation screen. Make sure everything is correct. You'll likely need to complete a security verification step, either via email or SMS. Enter the code you receive and that's it. Your withdrawal is now processing. It usually takes 13 business days for the funds to appear in your bank account. You can check the status in your withdrawal history.